Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see sorting. So in insertion sorting, there is insert an element from unsorted array to its correct position in sorted array. So we will have an unsorted array, and then if we want to make it a sorted array, then we have to insert that element in the correct position. Which element now we will going to see. So this is an array of size 6, 12, 45, 23, 51, 99, 8. This is an unsorted array, right? We have to sort it. So what we will start from the index 1, that is from 45. We will compare it compare it with the left hand elements. So here it is 12. So but the left hand element is less than the 45. Okay, here it will be at that same position, so it will not change its position. So here, but now in the next iteration, means for the 23, now we will go to the I equals to 2 position, that is 23. We will compare with the left element, that is 12 and 45, and we are going see, we are seeing that 45 is greater than 23, so we will shuffle these values. Here 23 comes at the first index, that is the second position, and then it will also compare with the 12, but 12 is the less, so 12 will be as it is. Then we will compare it with 51. 51 will be at that position only, and then we will compare with the 19. Here 19 should comes at the second position. It will compare with first 51, then 45, then 23, and then it will come at the second position. See, whichever the element we are comparing, see, in this last position we are comparing with 19, so we will store this 19 in a temporary variable, and from the temporary variable we will compare with the left hand elements. Okay, here now we will compare with the 8. We will first compare with 51, then 45, then 23, then 19, then at last we will compare with 12, and then it will come at the first position. Now see how it works. I have taken the array of size 5, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, and 5. Okay, here first three elements are sorted. Okay, and when our see our third index, which is 2, we will first store it into the current, that is temporary variable. Here our temporary variable is named as current. So we will store this two variable, two element in the current. Then we will compare with the 4, that is the second index element, and we are seeing that it is greater. So here our this number 4 will come at the next position, that is at 2. Then 4 here will be as it is, because our 2 number is in the current variable. Okay, then we will compare our 2 with the 3. We are seeing that 3 also greater than 2. Then we will forward these 3 in the next element, at the next position. Okay, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now we have 3 at 2 position here. Then we will compare our 2 with first element. Here it is 1, 1 is less, so our 2 will be at the second position, right? So we have got an array, sorted array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's code it. So first of all I will import my boilerplate code. So we are declaring as array of size n. So the user will give its input I less than n, I plus plus. Then yes, see, yeah, first of all we should define here int array of n. Alright, so here array of I. Okay, so we got the array from the user. Okay, now we will use for loop int, and we'll start from the next element. So int I equals to 1, right? We're starting from the first index. Then I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, Here now we are declaring a current variable, and so in current, that will store our uh, array of I. Alright, and here the left hand elements, we will represent them with the index j, and that will be nothing but I minus 1. And after our operation we will do j minus minus, right? So what will be that operation? Here we will use while loop, and in this while loop our condition will be array of j. If our array of j is greater than the current, okay, so current in which array of I is stored, and so in that condition we will our array of j plus 1, okay, sorry. So our array of j will be assigned in the next position, and here after this we will do j minus minus. So after this while loop end, then we will store our current in array of j plus 1. That is our current, okay. All right, then we will display our sorted element here. So this is cout. There should be space also, okay. Let's run this, and here, yeah, there is no error. And now I will give an array of 5. Let's give some random numbers, unsorted, okay, right. Yes, now you can see this is in ascending order. Our unsorted array has been sorted, and here we have used insertion sorting. I will meet you in the next video.